In this video, we will examine the capability of the KyberNOSP system to service 20 concurrent calls. We start the benchmark by creating 20 simultaneous calls. The calls are in the Greek language loaded. We can see here the latency of the ASR system, the recognition of the usage of the classifier, and here are the real-time metrics that show the response of the system to the concurrent calls. As we can see, with 20 concurrent calls, we have a very limited number of VLLM requests waiting in the queue, and a low ASR latency. Currently, the benchmark runs continuously 20 calls, and when a call ends, the system moves to a new call. We can see that some of the calls are ended, but then new calls are launched. And also we can see that some of the calls are classified as possible phishing calls, and the classification is escalated once the system determines that the call is of high risk. We can see that as long as the calls are ending, we have a new set of calls. And some of the calls are classified as phishing. And this is the example for 20 concurrent calls. This current implementation runs on an L40S NVIDIA GPU, on a single GPU, which is used as a benchmark platform. We let the benchmark running for a short period of time. Currently, the whole benchmark will run for 60 calls total. And there are no VLLM requests in the queue, as we see. There are, of course, some spikes when the new calls are created, but quickly the queue ends up to 0. The calls come from a set of 258 test calls, which are simulated and used as a benchmark for this test. The calls are simulated using a text-to-speech model, so currently the full pipeline of the system is under test. Now the calls are reduced because we have reached the limit of the 60 calls. As we saw, the system is stable under 20 concurrent calls.